The Lifeline program is a government assistance program that provides discounted phone service to low-income households. Some wireless carriers, such as SafeLink Wireless and AirTalk Wireless, offer Lifeline-eligible customers the iPhone XR as a free smartphone. However, it is important to understand that this is not a direct government benefit, and there are some caveats to consider. To get a free iPhone XR through the Lifeline program, you must be eligible for the program. Your household income must be at or below 135% of the federal poverty level. You must also apply for the Lifeline program through a participating wireless carrier. Once you have applied and been approved for the Lifeline program, you will be eligible for a free iPhone XR from a participating wireless carrier. However, it is important to note that these phones are typically refurbished or leased and may come with only some of the features of a brand new iPhone X or in addition, Lifeline customers are typically required to pay a monthly service fee for their phone service. Depending on the carrier, this fee can range from $5 to $10 monthly. Getting a free iPhone XR through the Lifeline program is possible, but it is important to understand that this is not a direct government benefit. Customers are typically required to pay a monthly service fee, and the phones may not be brand new or have all of the features of a new iPhone XR. If you are considering getting a free iPhone XR through the Lifeline program, carefully weigh the pros and cons before deciding. Thanks for watching.